All right, here we are on the 12th of June, 700 Patrol Road, weekly construction update. And we're going to make this one a quick one so you know what's going on. All of our underground plumbing is in. We'll be putting a test on it for air pressure today. We'll also have our inspection today, and we'll finish up our backfilling today. That's your front door, storefront assembly. This is the window that goes into your main office. Those are cut, and we'll pick those up, take those out on the week of the 22nd when our glass gets in. I held off on pouring concrete today, but they will be pouring Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week, and all of our interior work will be finished. This is your main trench. This is basically where our material for the process equipment is going to be sitting. We'll be using all of this rock taken care of, get it cleaned up, and then on next Friday I have a floor scrubber, a wet scrubber coming in. This is our 36-inch grate manhole, and it's getting ready. Our transformer is going to be poured next week, our pad, and then the exterior pad will also be poured next week, and it's formed up right here. We've talked with Duke Energy. Duke Energy says that we should have power on by the 1st of July. That's when they'll set the transformer. Now, all of our structural reinforcements, you can see them for our hot and cold, are about 70%. They'll finish those up Wednesday. And Excel Electric has been running feeders, reverse engineering the install for all of the process equipment. Our gas main is complete and has been tested and pressurized. The work that has to go through the demising wall right up there will be finished today. And Vectron is on site. And they have been, you can see it out there in the far end of the video, they are actually directional boring the larger gas line. They've been out here for 2 days. There's our gas guys out there. So actually by the end of next week the gas line should be taken care of. The meter base is already built on the wall. My connection to the Vectron work will be complete. And then next week, I'm going to have 2 crews inside doing the horizontal drops for the process equipment for air, water, and gas. We're going to start forming and framing, shipping and receiving, and break room. Hopefully by the end of the week, we'll have our HVAC ductwork in place. Our curbs will be roofed and flashed. And depending on the status of the roof curbs, we'll be starting to flash our hot and cold stacks. And that's what we look like out here. It's getting ready to get even busier, folks. Hang on to your hats.